So the car behind me is all loaded. We've got the Zephyr parts ready to go, and we're heading down to Dynamic Industries in Gippsland. So Chris and Michelle there, amazing supporters of mine over the years, and we're going to be doing some powder coating today. So can't wait to get a really nice finish on some of these parts here. It's been a long time coming. I've got the diff housing, I've got cross members, I've got steering underbody parts, lots of bits and pieces to go through today. So it's going to be pretty exciting. We're going to be going down to the sandblasters first, and then we'll take all the parts down to Chris and Michelle to get some powder coating done. Cannot wait. So just here now at Dynamic Industries here in Gippsland. Got the crew here all set up. So the parts are off to be sandblasted now. So next step, we'll go pick those up, and then we'll start preparing all the parts, getting ready for some primer, and then we'll start laying on some powder coating later this afternoon. Cannot wait. As you can see here, we're just at the sandblasters, so we've got all the parts here on display. So we've got springs, we've got leaf springs, we've got parts for the front struts, we've got backing plates, steering arms, bumper mounts, we've got the front struts, sway bar mounts, we've got cross member, front cross, diff housing, tail shaft. There's a lot going on, so it's pretty cool to see this in bare metal. So can't wait to now get it over to Dynamic Industries, get some primer on it, and now get it ready for some powder coating. As you can see behind me, the boys are just doing in the middle of their primer process. So get some primer on it, on the products, then slide all into the oven here behind me. And then tomorrow we're going to come back, put some satin black and gloss black on these products. It's going to come up $1 million. Righto, so the parts are all done, all out of the oven. So we ended up doing majority of all the parts satin black and gloss black. Incredibly happy with all the end result here. So ranging from suspension parts to engine bay parts, and essentially anything that's sort of under the car has sort of been brought here for Chris and the team at Dynamic Industries to tackle, and they've done an incredible job. Come up really good, super happy, and look at that final product, awesome.